surprisingly, there's a huge crowd for the meeting of these two sides. Referee gets his match underway. Passed well.
Back towards the centre.
That's nicely played.
The striker.
That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. Easy for the goalkeeper there. He did well to win the ball back. Shoots! Oh, good catch by the keeper.
This is Hazard.
Can he finish it? Oh, it's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant.
Good distribution.
Oh, he's onside here. He must score.
It's Ronaldo!
Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look.
The ball is swung into the danger area.
Fancies his chances from here.
Finds his team. Pulls the trigger.
And this is a world-class finish. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back underway.
Confident pass.
He's so skillful on the ball.
Well timed then. Great defending. Here's Smalling. Oh, confident defending. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside.
What a finish! Well, if you put those shots into the top corners, any goalkeeper will struggle to get there. We won't get bored of seeing this one again. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. The score 2-0. The next goal will prove to be decisive. Good ball.
And it's back to the keeper.
That's good link-up play. He's found an opening, and that's off target. Let's see how close that one was to going in.
We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Passed well.
We're into time added on now.
Gazelle. And here's a chance. Shoots. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Now he's weighing up his options. Aim towards a penalty spot.
Gets the header in.
Good save.
The replay will give us a closer look.
Can they make it count? And that's into the box. Lovely header. Can he finish it? Oh, this could be... Oh, what a finish. Into the bottom corner. Decisive. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal.
Let's start again.
Great first half. Let's hope for more of the same.
Can we go back to last summer when the air was sweet, the promises we keep? Can we go back to last summer where I felt at ease with...
Some new players are on the pitch. Can they make an impact, though, in this second half?
And with the defender now.
Jesus.
Finds his teammate.
And he's won it back for his team. That's nicely played.
Van der Beek. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down.
Jesus! His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. We need to see that goal again. Great to grab a consolation goal. The team may be too far behind at this point in the game. Really good possession here.
Milner. It's Ramsey.
The keeper's blocked that one.
The referee calls play back for an offside. He's headed the ball forward. He steps up to steal the ball. Striker's ball.
And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it?
Oh, we won't want to see this replay. It was well wide.
Jesus.
Van der Beek.
And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is dead. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Here's a replay of that great goal. It's now 3-2.
Good distribution.
Sends it long.
Headed on.
And he's stayed onside.
It could be a chance here.
And there's the shot.
That's his second goal.
Let's take a closer look at that goal now. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Oh, he must score. That's a crack. There was only one outcome, really. As soon as the player shot, he knew it was heading straight in.
Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again.
Good possession. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack.
And we're entering stoppage time now.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Sends it forward.
He's headed the ball forward. Oh, well intercepted.
He's led by example today, and that's why he's the team's captain and today's man of the match.